Are you looking to improve your company's visibility? Are you seeking ways to increase sales or grow your client base? Well, you're in luck because Tier 3 can assist. With Tier 3, you'll enjoy an enhanced marketplace presence like never before. Incentive marketing is one of Tier 3's specialties. We've studied the marketplace, and the one thing that is very apparent is that people love rewards and incentives. So when you offer rewards and incentives, your business will enjoy more clients and more customers, greater staff productivity, and more revenue to your bottom line. Incentive marketing can be tailored to virtually any business type. Incentives can also come in many forms, from travel vouchers and dining certificates to flagship bonuses and employee rewards. Reward loyal customers and clients with perks and bonuses. Pull in first-time clients with special sign-up incentives or offer special rewards to your top producing employees. At Tier 3, we'll help you develop and launch an incentive marketing strategy that will work for your business, your budget, and your client or customer base. Tier 3 also offers direct mail design and campaign management. We'll take care of the entire process from start to finish, from lead management and lead scrubbing to designing an attractive, eye-catching mailer to all the other details like printing, addressing, postage, and mailing. We'll help you design and distribute direct mailings that are apt to capture attention from your prospective clients. The Tier 3 team will help you to turn those leads into new clients and customers. We also offer comprehensive call center solutions custom tailored to fit your business and your needs. Do you need help launching an inbound or outbound call campaign? That's not a problem. Our call center experts will handle all the details from the scripts and strategy to campaign execution. Plus, Tier 3 uses sophisticated call campaign tracking software so you can monitor your campaign with unprecedented accuracy and detail. And don't forget about our turnkey solutions. Tier 3 will develop a customized blend of marketing strategies to reach your target market in the most effective possible manner. Combine direct mailing with our call center solutions to maximize results. And you'll have access to analytics every step of the way. Dominate your market. Tier 3 can help.